In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your WordPress website to WP Engine. Now, whether you're a seasoned web developer or just getting started, moving a website can seem a bit daunting. But don't worry, we'll walk through the process together step by step, and by the end, you'll have your site up and running smoothly on WP Engine. Let's begin by logging into your WP Engine account. Open your web browser and head over to the WP Engine dashboard by navigating to my.wpengine.com. If you haven't already set up an account, now would be the time to do so. Once you're logged in, the WP Engine dashboard will be your go-to spot for managing your website. Our next step involves equipping your WordPress site with the right tools for migration. For this, we need the WP Engine Automated Migration plugin. So switch over to your current WordPress site. In the dashboard, go to the plugins section, click on Add New, and then search for WP Engine Automated Migration. Once you find it, click Install and then Activate. This plugin is what will facilitate the seamless transfer of all your site data to WP Engine. With the plugin set up, the next critical piece is securing a migration key from WP Engine. Go back to your WP Engine dashboard, navigate to the Site menu, find the Migration section, and copy your unique migration key. This key is essential for ensuring that your site data is transferred securely and accurately. Now return to your old site where we'll make use of that migration key. Open the WP Engine migration plugin you just installed. Here, you'll paste the migration key into the designated field. This key acts like a handshake between your current site and the new WP Engine environment, verifying and allowing the migration process to proceed. Follow the prompts provided by the plugin to start migrating your site. After starting the migration, you might see various statuses indicating progress. Sit back and let the plugin take care of copying the database, files, and media. This part might take some time depending on your site's size, so don't worry if it seems to be taking a while. Once the migration is complete, you will receive a confirmation message indicating success. This is your cue to head over to WP Engine, where your new site environment lives. Before you go live, you'll want to test everything to ensure it operates as expected. Visit your staging or production URL on WP Engine and methodically check the pages, plugins, and themes to verify functionality. Finally, one last step remains to make your site live, updating the DNS settings. You will need to point your domain's DNS to the WP Engine IP address. This will direct visitors to the newly migrated site on WP Engine, making it live for the world to see. And there you have it. You've successfully migrated your WordPress site to WP Engine. Simple, right? With these steps covered, you can rest easy knowing your site is in good hands with WP Engine's robust infrastructure and support. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.